Hi, my name is Shana, and I am the Assistant Office Manager here at Onofreo Home Comfort Systems. What I like most about working at Onofreo Home Comfort Systems is that we have a lot of integrity here. We try our best for customer service and making sure we do everything right the first time. What separates Onofreo Home Comfort Systems from the rest of our competition is that it all starts from the top. Our boss, Mark Onofreo, is absolutely amazing. He's hands-on. He likes to go out to customers' houses, navigate problems and issues before they get down to the rest of our employees. If the boss is willing to go out and do it himself, then the rest will follow. Another thing that separates us from a lot of companies is that we make sure that everyone here is fully licensed. We are an insured company, so we like to do things right and make sure everyone's comfortable knowing that we have people in their homes that it's safe. You can give us a call at the office at 203-301-4151, or you can come down and see us at 280 Quarry Road, Suite E in Milford, Connecticut.